Hello guys! Welcome to Mount Nebo.
Hi guys!
Hello guys!
Vlogger ka ba?
Meron kaming visitor from
bago kami
Qatar,
recruit.
si Jay.
Assalamualaikum.
May bagong recruit.
Recruit.
Bagong recruit.
This is our third day.
Third day.
Third day na namin dito sa Jordan, and si Jay kwan siya ngayon. First day niya. Galing siya ng Egypt. Ako naman pupunta ng Egypt mamayang gabi. Dito tinanggap, tama ba? Tinanggap or nalaman ni Moses yung promised land. Yata, tama ba? Something like that.
Kung makikinig ako sa lista.
Saan tayo punta? So, sunod tayo kung nasaan yung mga turista. At baka meron silang tour guide, makinig na lang tayo doon.
Regardez, c'est marqué en arabe.
Ay, hindi pwede. Iba'y salita.
2000. 2, 3, 0.
Ah, French.
0 chez nous.
Bronze.
Francais.
Dito malamig eh.
Kaya nga.
Bronze.
Ano ba yung word sa English na ginamit doon sa may kwan? Google, nakalimutan ko eh. Basta parang something dito niya nalaman na kwan about dun sa promised land or binigay sa kanya
Asa na?
or pinaalam sa kanya, parang ganun. Something like that. Sa taas siguro.
Sino mo balik eh? Ano ba yung sikuan?
Mount Nebo, sobrang sarap ng hangin, malamig. Ang dami pang olives.
Yung olive tree ko, laki-laki na, ang lagu-lagu, sobra.
Nangitlog na ba yung kwan mo?
Oo, ang dami niyang
Yung-
bunga.
Yung,
Gusto ko nga punta, pitasin na yung bunga nun eh.
ano to?
The Abubad.
Abubad. This is the rolling stone used as a fortified door of a Byzantine monastery in the old village of
Dagan kay
Caesarea,
gidagan, di ba?
once known as the Kufer
Very
Abubad.
likely gid ako. I would
So
visit, I
welcome.
think.
The earliest
Yeah.
Moses Spring,
Moses Spring.
550.
earliest report of months in the Nebo region is attested in the valley of Uyun Musa. An area rich in water supply of fields and science. Human occupation of the valley is attested by the megalithic stone and by an Iron Age fortress. Nearby is
What
the
time
Roman
you
road
going-
that
what
connected
time you
the
going
town
to
of
the
Livias with Estus. Itineraries written by Byzantine pilgrims, notably that of Egeria in 384 AD, along with the archaeology surveys by Father
So
Benjamin
I arrive and then I take you back.
Identified dwellings in natural caves, monastics.
We're done here in Mount Nebo.
Up to the
Siaga. Up to the next monastery.
Yung mga labubong mga pekyo.
Yung businesswoman.
Galit na galit na itsura.
Baka may gusto mag-order ng labubo. Mura lang.